Nakatakdang magsumite ng mga policy recommendation at review ang Philippine Institute for Development Studies ayon sa PIDS. Layo nitong maibsan ang masamang epekto ng climate change sa bansa. Si George Bandola sa detalye.
Sa pamamagitan ng mga napapanahong polisiya, may iibsan na ng tuluyan ang masamang epekto ng climate change sa bansa, lalo na sa sektor ng agrikultura at food production. Ayon sa Philippine Institute for Development Studies, sa nakalipas na dekada, umaabot sa lagpas 200 bilyong piso ang pinsalang idinulot ng mga kalamidad sa agrikultura at taon-taon daw tumataas ito. Maliban kung sapat at matibay ang mga pulisiyang gagabay sa pagtugon sa mga kalamidad.
We have to gather together and try to look forward, look into our crystal balls and do some tea leaf reading and probably come to some agreement about the most critical policy issues that we have to discuss and we have to analyze.
The projected impact of climate change will greatly affect our labor force that is largely dependent on agriculture, and our targets for food security, malnutrition, employment, and poverty reduction will be more difficult and will take longer to achieve.
Sa datos ng PIDS, nasa pangatlo ang Pilipinas sa mga bansang lubhang naapektuhan tuwinang may kalamidad. Bagamat natugunan naman ang epekto ng El Nino sa pangangailangan ng mga magsasaka noong nakarang taon, aminado ang NEDA, marami pang dapat gawin para hindi masayang ang papaunlad nating bansa.
We're saying we're inviting foreign direct investments as well as local investments, agriculture, industry sectors moving out of Manila and going into the regions and the rural areas, but building the infrastructure that is needed to bring about greater competitiveness and the productivity.
We all know that our country has undergone and will continue to undergo the impact of extreme weather events. And the lesson we learned from the past is the need to prepare and build resilience through shocks and to other natural and man-made shocks.
Nakatakdang magsumite ng mga policy recommendation at review ang PIDS para makatugon pa sa pangangailangan ng agrikultura, irigasyon at iba pang support infrastructure. Para sa PTV News, George Bandola.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.